Oh, this is the Tewkesbury Medieval Festival, the prelude to the main event, which is in a few weeks' time. And these are some people that are letting off some look to be 15th century firearms. So we've got a cannon there being not loaded with a ball, I hasten to add. They're not firing live ammunition. Oh, the maiden wants to come out. People are getting upset. There's been a couple of extremely loud bangs and explosions. So they're just being told to hold on a minute because there's lots of horses and stuff running around, so they're just making sure they're happy. Just gonna hold on a second. There we go, we're going off again now. So we're getting a bit closer. This is going to be a loud bang in a minute. This little cannon is going to go off. So we've got a couple of like rifles there. So it's just stuffing the cannon. We've got knights here and what do you call them now? Surgeons. I've just had a word with the surgeon. Oh, here we go. Big bang. Jesus, that thing goes bang, doesn't it? Good grief. Here we go. Stand well back. These people must have been deaf after firing these things. So just putting a bit of fuse in the top of the cannon there. The cannon's been stuffed and loaded. Hope you're ready for this. This is going to go bang. Here we go. Hold on. Good grief. Imagine like a dozen of them going off. Crikey. Well, I think they're going to do some more by the look of it. Yeah, he's the last one, he says. There we are, ramming the cannon, the last one. How are we doing for time? Oh, we're doing alright, I think. It still seems to be recording, that's always a good thing. It's just making sure there in the middle that the fuse is alight. So there we are, so it's ramming the rifle there. Like I said, they're not firing live rounds, it's just oh god, here we go, we're getting ready again. Here we go, we'll hold it there. I am standing, even though I've focused in, I am standing extremely close to this. I can assure you from here you still feel the sound you go past you. There we go. Oh, sorry, there you go. Point you in the right direction. That'll help, won't it? Just getting themselves all sorted out here, I think. The cannon's been loaded. Where's the cannon? There he is. I get a feeling they're all going to go off at the same time. It looks like they're trying to time themselves so we get one hell of a bang. So this is good grief, there we go. Hope you enjoyed that. It was fun, wasn't it? So we go for a walk. See what we can see. There we go. Excellent. I'll leave it there. I'll get back to you in a bit.